I love music that rocks. You know what I don't love? Toilets that rock. Here are some tips if you have a rocking toilet. Hi, I'm Michael with Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing. A rocking toilet isn't just a minor annoyance, it can lead to significant issues if left unaddressed. Let's explore why the toilet might be unsteady and how to fix it. A few things might be causing the toilet to rock. Loose or damaged flange bolts. These bolts secure your toilet to the floor. Over time, they can loosen or corrode, causing your toilet to rock. Remove the bolt covers and tighten the bolts at the base. Avoid over-tightening as it can crack the porcelain. Uneven flooring. If your bathroom floor isn't level, your toilet won't sit evenly, causing it to rock. To fix that, place shims under the toilet base to level it. Once it's stable, trim the excess shim material. It can also be a worn-out wax seal or damaged toilet flange. The wax ring sits on the toilet flange and seals the connection between the toilet and the drain pipe. If the seal or flange is compromised, it can lead to leaks and a wobbly toilet. If you think this is the problem, you should probably call in a professional. If you have tried tightening the bolts and shimming the base and your toilet still rocks, or if you don't feel comfortable doing these repairs yourself, it's time to call the experts. At Western Heating, Air, and Plumbing, we have the experience to diagnose and fix plumbing issues effectively. Don't let a rocking toilet stop you from rocking and rolling. Call us or visit westernheatingair.com to schedule a service. We're here to ensure your home's plumbing is in top shape.